Hey guys, thanks for checking out our channel today. Today we're going to take a look at one of our latest listings. It's located in Spring Grove Plantation. It's a beautiful neighborhood with play parks, neighborhood pool. It's got a lot of cool amenities. This property is located at 334 Knawl Rd in Moncks Corner. It's going to be just over 2,300 square feet, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. It's beautiful. It's got the granite, it's got the open floor plan. Come on in, check it out. Hey guys, check out this beautiful kitchen. It's got the huge island. It's open to the living room, so that's great for entertainment. It's got the gas range. You're all set up here. If you like what you see, make sure you hit subscribe. That way each week you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video of a different floor plan or a new listing. Check it out. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out our channel. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. That way each week you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video. If you got any questions about this property or any other properties that are listed in different neighborhoods, make sure you get a hold of us. Put it in the comments or reach out to us at 843-925-7600. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Jason with the Houston team at Jeff Cook Real Estate.